the CM Answers plugin creates a great questions and answers forum that's intuitive to use and easy to manage. You can use it for any topic. In this example, we look at a tourism website. In the Q&A page, users can ask questions, answer them, or vote for prior answers. Now let's take a look behind the scenes. To divide a forum into different parts, first you need to create categories. Let's open one for London. You can add custom fields you'd like users to fill when posting questions under this category. Press the New CMA category to add it to the list. Your Q&A page is automatically added to your website. You can find the page address under Settings. But you can also show the forum or parts of it in different pages using the CMA questions shortcodes to define the categories, number of questions per page, and more. Finally, here are a few things you should take notice of in the Settings panel. In the Access and Moderation tab, you can make the Q&A page more private, choosing only logged-in users can view the questions. Also under Moderation, you can choose whether or not new questions and answers require your approval. To know when new questions, answers, or comments are published, under Notifications, choose Enable Notifications for Admin. You should make sure thread following is enabled so that users can receive an email update if they want to. And if your website isn't in English, it's okay. You can simply translate the menu in the Labels tab. To learn more, read the user guide or watch our next tutorials. Creative Minds.